What's wrong, Maximus? What do you want, Pooh? Where do you hurt at? Where do you hurt? Where do you hurt? You want to get out of here? Where are you? Huh? You want to go to the car? Where are you going to go? It's dark outside. Where do you hurt at? Show me where you hurt. Show me where you hurt. Show me where you hurt. Your arm hurt? Your arm hurt?